Here are the first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence. We need to find, in terms of n, an expression for the nth term of this arithmetic sequence. So we first want to work out what the difference is between each term. 3 and 10, the difference of those is 7. 10 and 17, the difference of those again is 7. And 17 and 24, the difference between those is 7. So the differences are all the same, which is what you would expect for an arithmetic sequence. So now we know it's going up in 7s, we can say that the nth term is going to be 7n. And now we just need to work out, do we need to add anything or take anything away from the 7 times table? Well, the 7 times table, let's think, is 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on. This is the 7 times table. This is what happens when you have 7 times n. 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, and so on. So what do we need to do to each of these numbers to get to the actual sequence? We need to take away 4. So that is our rule. I know sometimes some people think to get this number on the end, work backwards and think, what would the number before the 3 be? So take 7 away from the 3 and they get minus 4. So that's what some people do to get that minus 4. So there we go. And you can always do a quick check. Let's check with the 4th number. If I did 7 times 4, I'd get 28. Take away 4, which is 24. And yes, the 4th number in this sequence is 24. Part B is 150 in this sequence. So if it is in the sequence, that means that at some point 7n minus 4 would equal 150. And n would be a whole number, because if it's in the sequence, then you're going to have a whole number of terms in the sequence. You can only have 2 terms and 3 terms. You can't have 2.5 terms. So n has to be a whole number if it is in the sequence. So I'm going to solve this equation to see what n would be. So add 4 to the other side. I get that. Divide both sides by 7. And I get n is 22, I think. 154 divided by 7. Yeah, 22. So the fact that I've got a whole number means, yes, 150 is in the sequence. And further to that, I know it is the 22nd number in the sequence. So if I was to write down all of the numbers of the sequence, 150 would be the 22nd number I would write down. It is the 22nd term. If I'd got like 22.1 or 22.2, or if I'd have got some decimal here, I'd have been able to say no, it's not in the sequence. But the fact that it's a whole number means I know it is.